I feel you. I feel you.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. It's only 7 degrees right now.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning to YouTube and Facebook, Periscope, and Twitch. Of course, Clubhouse was good. My name is Jason Sweeting. Of course, everybody call me Jay the Trader, and I'm just happy to be here for the bond breakdown. I was just talking to Clubhouse to Ken, and I was talking to Ray, and we were just saying how cold and snowy it is. But I don't know if she caught that. I was just saying, what do you do on a snow day except just go look at your funded account? So, how do you feel now that you're a funded trader, Ray?
I don't know. I don't know if it feels any different just yet. I haven't gotten the paperwork or anything like that, so got to read over the fine print.
Right.
T's, cross the T's, dot the I's, stuff like that.
Okay.
But I don't think anything's gonna change. Like, what? Why are you changing? Why are you switching it up?
No need to switch it up, huh?
Yeah, no need to switch it up.
Fantastic. What was your favorite trade during the combine?
Oh, I'm a levels trader. I like levels, and I like 2 candles. So levels and 2 candles. That's it. And made sure my little one contract stretched like they be stretching the blue cheese dressing.
So you traded one contract your entire combine?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Which combine did you take?
I took a $50,000 combine.
Who'd you do it with?
Earn a trade.
Okay.
I did Earn a trade.
You took the 50 with Earn a Trade. What was your amount of contracts you could possibly take? Like, what was the total?
Oh, it's a progression ladder. So you can start off with 2 contracts if you want. Once you get above, I believe, like 1,500 or something like that, you get like you unlock, I think, 1 or 2 more. So the total amount, once you get over 2,000, you'll get like you'll get to 2,000, and then you can unlock all your contracts, which is 6. But you don't need to do it.
You didn't need all 6 contracts to beat the combine. Just one was good enough.
Just a shot. Just a shot, which is 1. So that's all I needed.
That's what's up. Man, I'm so proud. You already know. Everybody, if you didn't guess, Facebook, everybody, Ray beat the combine. So excited for it. And I think, are you a Tom Brady fan?
I am not a Tom Brady fan.
Sorry to hear that.
No, it's okay. It's really difficult, honestly. NFL got to get better as a business.
That hurts.
They do, because their fans aren't dumb, Jay. The fans aren't dumb. Like, if the Chiefs have to play Tampa Bay and the rest, it's going to get a little difficult.
Okay. Well, okay, then. It's going to be one of those. Okay, cool. And with that in mind, folks, I'd like to get ready and let's turn our attention to the bond market. We'll talk about that more in the trade room for sure. So let's start marking some levels. I know you all think that my screen probably looks a little different, and that's because I am trading on Ninja Trader 8. Can you believe it? Jesus, they got me. If you're following along, we're on the ZB. That's the ZB. So you can follow along on anything. Let's find some lines and find out where things occurred. I have an overnight low at 166.03. And then let me see if I can select that and start talking about properties right now. Here we go. Wow, this is so weird. Okay, cool. We'll have to do that later because that's messy. I have an overnight high there. I have overnight low there. Overnight high looks like it was put in right off the first candle of the day, 166.23 for a 20 tick overnight range. Fantastic. And then I have an open, and the open looks to be just under there at 166.22. So it's basically been a down day. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Because this new platform, I haven't really taken the time to mark up my charts the way that I like to normally. But I believe that for the first time in about a week and a half, we did make lower lows and lower highs. So maybe an end to the sellers. Maybe about a week or so. First time in about a week or so, we didn't make lower lows and lower highs, which is cool. I wanted the selling pressure to stop around this area. Thank God that it is stopping. Key level 166.13. Let's keep our eye on that because, we want the 166.13s. We closed above those last hour, even though we're trading below them now. Current price is 166.12.11. So, yeah, and the 11 just came. So even though we closed above 166.13, we're trading down below it now. Who knows? I think we might be picking up buyers so that we can keep moving up. That would be a welcome treat for me today. There's some unfinished business as well. Let me see. You got some gap stuff and some other things to look at. It's so weird. Ninja Trader 8 is so weird. Let me see. Rectangle. We have a gap. It looks to be from about 166.26 to 166.31 above, which is cool. And we probably should look back in time as well in order to find out what happened down in this price range before 166.03. It's very low. Let's pull up the dailies first, and then we'll kind of do it that way. Okay. Let's see if I can find a ZB daily chart. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, we're low. Pretty low. 166.03. Last time we traded this low, it was data box. It was the 19th of March still. We could be looking for 164.31. That's what we could be looking for, believe it or not. That's the low from the 18th of March, 165.01. So you could be looking for something way down there, to be honest. Way, way, way down there before we start finding the proper support. So that's interesting. A break below that line, and it kind of lets in a whole lot of foolishness that we don't really want to be a part of, like a whole lot of it. So, I think 165 is our last hope. 165, 165.01, that's like our last hope today. If we break below, we have about a point to play with. After that, things kind of get really crazy to the downside. They start to accelerate. And I don't want to be a part of it personally. I personally don't want to be a part of it. Let's look at the ES just to make sure we have like a balance look at what's going on. Here we go. I think here's a 60-minute chart of the ES right here. Amen. Hallelujah. Whoa, I need to go fix this chart. Properties. Chart background. Oh, go to data series. Sorry, y'all. I just started with Ninja Trader 8 yesterday. My charts aren't set up as beautifully as I want them to be. My bad.
Yeah. I just want to say how proud I am of you for doing that.
Trust me, somebody literally put a gun to my head and said I had to. Literally. I
like guns. I'm proud of that person.
That's cold-blooded, but I feel you though.
I still like it.
Can you hear me playing times outside tonight? Hey man, hallelujah. I think it looks like 3,900. Jesus, we are trading so high on the ES. We are trading so high. Overnight low 38.86. It looks like 38.85.50. Put in around 5 a.m. And you have 3,900, 39,050. Yeah, yeah. Pretty much. If I had to call it what I wanted to call it, it would be, bonds to the downside. The only thing that's giving me hope is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. on the hourly chart. It's the only thing that's giving me hope that maybe the ES wants to roll down a little bit. It's the only thing that's giving me hope. Other than that, is reading clean to the upside. And that means the bonds have got to get down. Tough beat for the bonds if it happens that way. There's hope. There's hope. We start trading below the overnight low, that get through the neckline at the overnight low, and then we kind of finish up below maybe like 38.70 something. What is this? 38.75. We can finish up there. Maybe 38.77. Finish there. At least for the time being. But it doesn't look good. Does not look good. All right, cool. That's basically all I want to say. My little Easter speech for today. Eat your weeds, trade your bonds. Same old. Make sure I can take all questions. All right, here we go. Jay, how do we get into the room this morning? Oh, Marcus, I gotta send you a link. I'm gonna send you a link right now, bro. I'm gonna send you a link right now, big dog. In fact, hold on, let me see. I could probably invite you on the stage right now so that we can talk a little bit more about it. Everybody wouldn't understand. I'm gonna send you a link in like 3 minutes, and then you come into the trade room, hang out for a little while, Marcus. I appreciate that. Everybody, that's Marcus Howard on Facebook, my psychology coach. When it comes down to trading psychology, that's my trading psychology coach. JD Alexander, JD, I see you. Welcome to the dark side. Hi, Jay. When you set up your chart for NinjaTrader 8, can you please make a short video? It would be helpful. If you go to Teachable, you'll see the PDFs there. You'll see resources with links to videos. So I understand that when I created the coursework, NinjaTrader 8 wasn't a stable platform. It was very buggy and it had a lot of problems. So I stayed with NinjaTrader 7, everybody. Now that NinjaTrader 8 has become more stable, they're encouraging everyone to make the switch over to the newer platform. And I get it. However, everything is like basically the same. Everything is it might be in a different place, but it's the same activity. For example, if you want to draw a horizontal line, you still have to go to your chart, grab a drawing tool and go to horizontal line. If you want to make a new chart, it's not file new. You just go to new in your control panel and then select chart. So, if you follow the directions that are in the PDF, also, if you look at the support links in the Teachable as well, you'll be able to get a little bit of speed going into the transition. All right. Yeah. Maybe sometime later, I'll, I don't know, shoot some NinjaTrader 8 videos. Who knows? Maybe. But that's cool, Max. I appreciate it. Good morning, Ella. Are there any questions on Clubhouse? Any questions from anybody on anything? I don't know if y'all have any questions. Time is 8:17. I'm only going to be on like another few minutes, and then that's going to be that. I do want to remind everybody, please follow the Building Money Machines group. And follow me on YouTube and Instagram, like youtube.com/Jay the Trader. Please do that. I would really appreciate it. And tell somebody what you have seen and heard. I really believe that we can change a lot of lives if we want to. We just got to do it together. That's it. Is your course on Teachable? Yeah. And my course on Teachable? Yes, on Teachable, Max. So we can change a lot of lives if we decide we're going to do it together. I don't think anything can stop a group of people that are trying to do something together. I just don't think that that's the way cooperation was built. When people cooperate, they win. That's it. Period. So, it's going to be real cool, man. Just join and follow along. I do free trainings as well. So join me on Wednesday for the next one. They're on Sundays and Wednesdays. If you click the link in my bio here, visit me on Instagram. That is tradelikeJayTheTrader.com/tell me more. TradelikeJayTheTrader.com/tell me more. You can find links to sign up for the free class that I offer. You can sign up for the live training that I offer. You can join the free Facebook group if you like. It's what we do. Everybody, I really appreciate your time once again. Much love to everybody that's on this thing. So good to see everybody too. If there are no more questions, I'm about to sign off of this so that I can get into the trade room a little early today. It was real good to get there early today. Now we'll get to it. My bad, man. Hey, shout out to Ken and Raven and Cassidy and Drake and Toya for joining me this morning. I appreciate that. You guys have anything that you want to say or offer to the community before we close it up?
Just thank you for what you do every day.
Cass, it's all good. How's the course coming? You and your husband, y'all doing all right with it?
We good. We just out of town, so then the trade is on my desktop, but we'll be back tomorrow, back on it.
Okay, sweet. So as long as y'all good, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. All right, then. Well, if there's nothing else anybody wants to say, the clock on the wall says that's about all. I enjoyed y'all and had a ball with boom, boom, ski, ski. That's it. I've got to split. I'm going to holler back. All right. Take care.